dolphins belong to a family group called cetacean. And our cetacean family here at Ocean Adventure are very friendly. And they would like to welcome everybody with a friendly wave hello. Now you can wave on back. Wave back and smile like that. Very nice. Whales and dolphins are not fish. They're warm-blooded, air-breathing mammals just like you and I. And you know what? Each one has their own unique personality. So let's meet them one at a time. And let's start with the youngest of our bottlenose dolphin. He's around 4 years old. He's a male. And his name is Sam. And right next to him, also a male bottlenose dolphin, around 5 years old. His name is Loki. Let's start with the main parent of the group, a 15 years old female. She takes care of everybody and her name is Founder. Great job there, Founder. And last but not the least, introducing himself with a behavior called the Bridge, and his name is Tom. Great job there, guys.